leave it. Now you can throw it. Oh.
Hey!
And they ask, how do your dogs get so dirty?
Dylan!
Dylan!
Dylan! Dylan! Yes, you ornery little turd.
Not as ornery as she is. Oh, your ball got jacked. Behind you. Behind you, not under your seat.
Drop it. Drop it.
Tell her to leave it, please.
Hurry up! Bring it, Dylan. Diesel.
Fetch. Check this out, you guys. Chihuahuas play fetch. Uh-oh. But Chihuahuas don't bring them back.
Not all the way, at least.
They'll bring them part way. But you get to go the rest of the way. Peanut. I don't want you in my lap. You go play. She's irritated. I put a bell on her. See? She hates the bell. It used to be on her collar. She'd bite the bell. No. Stop. Go play. You dusty mongrel. Look at that. You're dusty. You dusty, dusty dog. So I just kind of put this in to get some dog play. Let's see here. This is what she does. She does. Sorry about that, guys. Ball that gets Aquessa actually jumping for joy. See? And then you have that problem. It's a Chihuahua complex. She just told Big Dog to leave it alone. Get it, Boo. Get your ball. Good girl, good girl. Dylan! See if we can get her to do it. The dog that only catches if it's delivered to his mouth, to her mouth. Dad. Dead dog.